Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the Worx 40V hedge trimmer. This is a 20-inch hedge trimmer. It's supposed to be a lightweight hedge trimmer. And it could, it's very compact design, that's what they say. And it is, after I look at it and open it up, it cuts up to branches up to 3/4 inches. And 3-year warranty, amazingly. So one of the reasons I purchased it because it's lightweight, it looks easy to use, and it has a 40-volt 2 amp-hour battery, so it sounds like it's going to be really strong. So I'm going to test it out right here. And by the way, the battery pack, you could bring it to other models and it will probably work fine. So first thing you noticed also on the product is the battery goes behind it, so it's probably one of those slide in clip, and you got a handle to hold it, and you have a shield, so to prevent from flying everywhere or something like that. So it's 3-year warranty, has a battery included and the charger. I'll post the model information, and there's a spare battery info also in the description, so tell you where you can get it. Note that this one, the battery, you could buy another battery as an accessory, which I have done because lesson learned. When you're cutting hedge or etc., you're probably gonna run out of battery. If you didn't charge well enough, then your job will never get completed. So always have a good idea to have a spare battery. WA3580, that's what it looks like for the battery. 2 amp-hours. I'm gonna show a little bit about the battery, and it's quite expensive though. Not super expensive, but the battery is not like $20 or $30. So there's some cost involved. Nice thick battery as well too. And you actually could press the indicator. Finally, you can press the indicator to see how much battery juice is still left. You have 3 bars, the max, middle, 2 bars, 1 bar is minimum. So I'm going to open it up for you right now. So first thing you see is the shield. Let's open this a little bit more. In essence of time, I already skipped ahead. So you got the manual and the information how to use it. Inside you also have the handle, the screw. Then you take the unit out. So of course there's a battery pack in the box as well, which is way on the bottom over here. If I can dig and find for you. Okay, there's it. So on the box over here, open it up, you got the charger, like a dongle type of thing. So you slip the battery there, make sure it's all the way slipped and in contact. Then you plug in the wall. That's all you need to do. So this is the battery. Okay, so it's the same one that I got for the spare, so I'm happy about that. And you can use it for other Worx products as well, depending on the product, of course. And here's the hedge trimmer. Put a nice cover there. It's plastic, so it's very flimsy, cheap plastic. I wish it was a little bit better. That's the at least they had a sleeve, I could say. So that's kind of like, I couldn't give a pro or con, but the sleeve is definitely not on the high quality side. So you got the manual. So I'm going to show you a little bit about the battery, so people are familiar with this thing. So you just slide it like that, plug it in the wall. That's all you need to do. It's 110. There's not a 3-pawn. So you just plug it in. Notice I have to press the orange button for it to release. So you're here where you need to slip it in. I would have went ahead off camera to install the handle. So when it installs one way, I found out the hard way that you have to install the other way and make sure you run the screw out. And that's the screw. One thing for the shield, they came with only 1 screw. I don't know if it's my unit or they only give you 1 screw, but I installed it on the left side, so the right side has a opening for hole only. So there's no screw. So don't lose that screw. So there's otherwise the unit looks pretty good. Has a nice power to it. As I'm demonstrating this thing for you right here, you'll notice that I had no problem cutting my hedge over here, my bush and stuff like that. Very good power. not very noisy compared to my electric one, which is with the cord, very clumsy. This is cordless, so you know there's the advantage of this. And I'm able to get to the different areas, and this thing is just perfect. 20-inch, not too long, not too not too short, so I can get to the other side. It does the job for me very good. So pros and cons. So just to reiterate, pro definitely has enough power, does the job. Very simple product to use, very lightweight. The battery, 40 volt, very good, 2 amp hours, so I have no problem. The negative is probably you have to assemble this product. It didn't come assembled fully. I wish it was fully assembled, but it's not. There's only one screw for the shield. I wish it wouldn't be that cheap, or give me an extra screw for the shield over there. So just in case I lose the other one, I have to go buy a new screw or something. So it's definitely, at the conclusion, my verdict is basically it's still worth a buy. Very great product. Hope you liked the video surprise of the day. We appreciate a thumbs up, and I see you next time. Bye.